Hey everyone, Todd Billier here. You know, quick follow up to yesterday's post regarding, is AI the end of MSPs? No, I don't think it is. But I've heard that question a lot lately. Another episode of my podcast, it was asked. I've seen it on a couple other posts around LinkedIn and Facebook, and also in conversations I've had while I've been at different industry events recently. I've got 25 years of experience and I've seen this industry go through a lot of changes. If you think about all going way back, and yeah, we're going way, way back here. We started by doing those hardware, back even in peer to peer network days, the network assessments, and then we deployed servers and long live us Novell network engineers. We made it through those changes, and then it became, we moved things up to the cloud, and then from the cloud we had to deploy, the BCDR devices, and then after that, we deployed, security solutions, and we all became MSSPs. And so this next transition is into AI, and I think most MSPs will make it. The smart ones certainly will. And a lot of MSPs out there got really smart. They understood the power of going vertical within certain industries, be it dental, be it legal, be it architectural, whatever that may be. And not only did that lead to really great referrals to others in that business, which obviously new logo growth, that's very important. But you became an industry expert on those custom platforms that those industries used. And I think these MSPs are really positioned well to do well here in the age of AI. We're going to get away from being that break fix, and our smart agents are going to take over a lot of the help desk and the RMM responses, and we're going to make that next transition to becoming, the old term, trusted advisors. Because the smart MSPs have gone vertical, they know, where the repetitive work inside those specific businesses is and what those employees are doing today. And, that's where we're going to deploy the AI agents to really make our end users run smarter, make them run faster. So, no, I don't think AI is the end of MSPs. I think it's just the next chapter. And just like every chapter before it, those MSPs that choose to adopt, become subject matter experts, they're the ones that are going to thrive. The others, they're going to lose clients to the MSPs that did make the change. So that's my thought. What are yours? Leave a comment down below.